Hello YouTubers, Lego Tornado here, and I'll be showing you this car I built, Lego car. So it's made mostly of Technic pieces, and some of them are just some normal pieces, but mostly everything is Technic because it's a car, a very big Lego car. So right here. These move by this little mechanism right here. That little piece. Yeah, that little piece right there. It moves by this piece when you move it. The wheels move as it connects. Well, whoopsies. There. Alright, so in the bottom you can see how it connects. Like these little pieces connects from here. Even this moves it, kind of. Like when you move this, it also moves the back part too. Oh man, why do I keep doing this? Alright. Yeah, it goes down right here. Goes through this little area and then it reaches here and has this little area right here with these little moving hinges. That makes the wheels move in the front. So yeah, this video is very short, but I don't know what happened, but so yeah, this is my Lego car. I'm sorry, but I can't do a tutorial on this because it took me a very long time to build, to think of the idea and then like try to build it stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.